right, so I know, Marietta, you got hit with hail around 3 o'clock this afternoon. Well, guess what? It is happening again. New report on our National Weather Service chat, more pea-sized hail falling in Marietta. This is a look from the air into that thunderstorm, looking from our camera at Northside Hospital. That storm stretches now into Bartow County and Cobb County and northern Fulton County. I'm going to get to also storms on the south side, one over Clayton County and South Fulton, another one out towards Jasper County. These are not severe warned, but they are locally intense for your commute home, generally just east of I-75, really increasing in intensity right over Lake Allatoona, Red Top Mountain as well, and out to South Woodstock. That's right over this northern side of Ackworth and then pushing out towards Woodstock and 575. Also into Cobb County, we're seeing a little bit of weakening trend in those reflectivity, what color we see on the map, but I'm still noticing some lightning over the 120 loop and out towards Mount Bethel, and then some of that shower activity to the top side of Sandy Springs, pushing over eventually into Norcross, into southwestern Gwinnett County. All right, we go to the south, and you can see just east of Palmetto, we've got another thunderstorm, which, as I've kind of looped and dissected this storm, it's really in the last 15 minutes or so, it's just kind of popped up and the lightning count increasing. So some heavy rain right there just north of Tyrone in northern Fayette County. And this is going to be slowly trying to push its way in between Union City and Riverdale. It's going to be crossing right east of I-85, and then we'll travel to the east there to Jasper County, southern Walton County, another little downpour with some lightning strikes there. So we're tracking a few hit or miss showers and storms. The weak upper level disturbance right now. Level 1 threat of severe weather southwest of Atlanta through the evening. Some small hail, some gusty winds possible. But then we're going to focus our attention on what's coming for the weekend, because I think this is a more widespread severe weather threat. This is the outlook for tomorrow through Saturday morning. You can see that northwest corner of the state in a level 1 threat of severe weather. But then Saturday afternoon, a new round of storms develops from Louisiana through Mississippi and Alabama, where there's a level 4 threat of severe weather, and that will push into our area overnight. So this is an overnight event. We're expecting severe weather. We've got a level 3 threat of severe weather. Severe storms are likely with damaging winds. Some of those could be in excess of 60 to 70 miles per hour. We could see several tornadoes. The hail risk is a little bit lower, but not out of the question as well. And then heavy rainfall that could lead to some minor street flooding issues. The time frame of that is going to be between 8 o'clock Saturday and 6 o'clock Sunday. But as you'll see on Forecast Track, we could also start off your Saturday morning with a few thunderstorms as well. Here's the hour by hour. This evening, those showers and storms fizzle out. We'll go through the overnight. Some fog will form by first thing on Friday morning. Then we break into sunshine, little breeze warming us into the 70s Friday afternoon. Most of Friday's dry. Saturday morning, some weakening thunderstorms enter northwest Georgia. Then we have plenty of breaks in the rain action Saturday afternoon. We could get close to 80 on Saturday afternoon, but watch those storms forming to our west. Those are going to come into northwest Georgia by 8, 9 o'clock at night, passing through the metro around midnight, and then by Sunday morning at 5 o'clock, they are racing out of here. So while they're here, they're going to be very intense. I want you to have multiple ways to get warnings while you're asleep Saturday night, and we'll be streaming on 11 Alive Plus throughout the overnight as needed. Friday planner tomorrow, starting off with some fog in the morning, mid-70s in the afternoon. Tracking those storms Saturday night, that's what we've got in red, this weather impact alert. They exit early Sunday. Dry weather moves back in next week.